Hello guys, today I will show you how to sign up for LinkedIn. So, you can sign up on LinkedIn using a mobile phone or a PC or a laptop. So in this video, I will show you how to sign up on LinkedIn using a PC or laptop. The same applies for mobile too. Simply navigate to any browser, then go to the search bar and type in LinkedIn. Hit enter. Now you will see some search results. You'll have to simply click on the one that says in.linkedin.com login or sign up page. Simply click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you will see different options. Here, you will see a sign in with email button, and if you have other account logged in, you will see those up right here. Now, in order to sign up, we'll have to click on the join now button here. When we click on join now, it will take us to this page. On this page, you'll have to simply enter an email or phone number with which you want to sign up. Then, in the password field, you'll have to simply create a strong password. Then, click on Agree and Join button. Now, enter your first name, last name, click on Continue. Now, it will ask your location. Simply enter your location and click on Next. Now, you'll have to enter your most recent job title or the job you would have worked. So, I'm going to enter video editor or video producer. Now, choose your employment type, whether you were employed in the previous job as a full-time employee, part-time, self-employed, freelance, internship or trainee. I'm going to enter freelance. Now, choose what is the name of the most recent company. Then click on continue. And if you're a student, you'll have to choose this button. I'm going to click on continue because I'm not signing up as a student. Now, you'll have to simply type in the code that you would have received on the email you entered at the first page. So, simply navigate to your email, note down the code and paste it here. Then click on agree and confirm. Now, choose are you looking for a job? Then click on next. Now, enter what kind of job are you looking for? So, search for the kind of job that you're looking for or a role that you're looking to be hired for. Then, in the job locations, you can type in anything you want. And you can also choose whether you're open to remote work or not. Then click on next. After this, choose to get notified when new jobs will be posted related to the job post you would have entered. You can get notified if you turn this on. If you don't want excessive notifications, you can turn this off. Then click on next. Now, you'll have to let recruiters know that you're open to new jobs. You can choose to turn this on and this will show the recruiters that you're looking for a new job. Now click on next. You can scan this and get the LinkedIn application quickly. Then click on next. Now you can connect with people by searching for their name. For example, I will search for a person and I will click on connect. Now, this will send an invite to that person and when they approve your request, they'll be added as a connection on LinkedIn. You can click on escape for now. You can follow companies and people that you're concerned with just right here. You can click on follow button, then click on next. Now, as you can see, this is LinkedIn's dashboard and this is my jobs page, the home page for LinkedIn. Now you can easily connect with people, find new jobs, grow yourself, grow your network and much more. So that is a simple way to sign up on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.